Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs, very stunning designs. We have to share with newly things ideas, and this video it's all about the cocoon sweater designs, cocoon sweaters ideas for more impressive ideas, impressive videos, and just looking to say some things for newly videos of cocoon sweaters, newly daily basis designs, and obviously we have to share with you and feedback these comments. I am waiting for these comments and more creative videos and just looking so gorgeous videos of cocoon sweaters. Cocoon sweaters are used in different things ideas for different colors combinations, different designs, and different varieties, different amazing designs. Just looking so gorgeous videos. We have to pretend newly ideas and newly attractive videos we have to share with you, and with these amazing videos. And cocoon sweaters are used in different office women, office girls, and workers women, and every type of girls, every country's girls like easily carry these cocoon sweaters. Cocoon sweaters are demanding videos, are demanding designs we have to share with you. We have to share with newly attractive videos and just looking so gorgeous videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members, it's amazing and gorgeous videos of cocoon. It's cocoon cardigans, it's different topics for not uploaded for you, and cocoon sweaters are demanding videos for you. I hope I really appreciate for newly designs we are uploading, newly things, newly attractive videos and more creative videos. So this is so gorgeous videos I have shared with newly things. So we'll be back in this channel. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu